Well, right now we are standing on Bessie Estate. I named this estate after my first daughter because she's a great inspiration. She's my beloved baby, the only baby girl in the house. So I decided to name this estate after my first baby.
Wow.
So what is the motivation? If you are a father or you are a mother out there, please connect to my first daughter estate here. And I know that the blessings that is upon my daughter will come upon you in the name of Jesus Christ.
Amen. You don't hear an Bessie estate be this. And this estate, they inside New Banana Highland. Now there we dey like this. And we dey wait for you. Oh. Call Madam Peck 0903429651. Make you come collect your own plot for New Banana Island. You dey hear me so? The place, it too make sense, This one is still 6 million, no. Even though say it dey for road, before the price go jump, enter 10 million like that of Tom Estate. So make you quickly call me a day here, and you fit visit our office at number 181 Odili Road, opposite Chicken Republic, precisely at Benjamin Plaza. So we are always there to take you for inspection. You make your payment and you collect your document in 2 weeks. All right. So I'm waiting for you.